Okay, so here you are in your assignments. This is the video log assignment. So you're going here, you're going to go to assignments, you're going to open up the video log. Once you're in that video log, you're going to watch the video that you're watching right now, creating a video log. And so first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to hopewellcrest.org. hopewellcrest.org. Once you're at hopewellcrest.org, you click here. You go over to the Hopewell Crest School YouTube page. You go to the computer tutorials for parents and students. And then you choose 4 of these videos to watch. So you go to this video, take care of your eyes. You click, take care of your eyes.
So you've been doing a lot of extra work on the computer.
And you watch the video.
Phones, your parents have been doing
Once
the same
you
thing.
finish watching the video, you go back over here. You open this up. Where? Open in Word Online. You type in the name of the video, which is Take Care of Your Eyes, and then you type in the description. It's about taking care of your eyes by doing eye exercises. Then you go back over and you watch another video. They're all listed there. You come back over to this and you put it in again. When you have finished this, because see, it automatically saves it for you, you simply click the X and back over to your team. And once you've completed that, you can do a couple at a time, however you want, and then you simply click Turn In, and you're all done, and Mr. Holder will receive it, and I'll grade it for you. That's it. Enjoy.